Welcome to Newton Nissan in Gallatin, Tennessee. You can see this and other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This 2020 Nissan Titan Pro 4X is available for a limited time. Call our sales department at 615-451-6827. This vehicle has been through our service department. You'll notice the work performed on the exterior of this vehicle shows that it has got its lube and oil and filter, certified inspection. It's got its air filter, in-cabin filter, wiper blades, rotate and balance. Comes with a spare key, has a brake flush, power steering flush, and a fuel service, so it is ready to go. Newton certified pre-owned, providing peace of mind for your journey. Ask your salesperson about program, detail, and benefits. Please note such outstanding features as the beautiful leather interior with the Pro 4X embossed, panoramic moonroof, navigation, rugged step bar, bed step, tow hitch, a spray and bed liner, and more. Another outstanding benefit is the rear entertainment system. Fender is a recognized name in premium audio. Some other great features on this vehicle is heated and cooled seats, trailer brake. Of course, this is a four-wheel drive with push-button start and Nissan Intelligent Key, auto climate control. Additionally, a sophisticated camera system doesn't only give you the conventional camera on this side, but it also gives you a 360-degree viewpoint around the vehicle, which makes backing up a breeze. One of the advanced safety systems is blind spot warning, which comes in very handy when you are on the freeway and going to change lanes. Newton Fast Pass, the fast and easy way to buy your car online. If you check this truck out on our website at newtonnissan.com, you'll notice a button for Newton Fast Pass. It is quick and easy. You can get trade value, payment information, and even apply for financing right online. To recap, this 2020 Nissan Titan Pro 4X with the utility, moonroof, and convenience packages is available for a limited time. See more information at newtonnissan.com. Call our sales department at 615-451-6827.